Hola, buenos días. Do you know the numbers in Spanish? Los números en español. We're not going to do los números today, but let's count up to 6. We've got uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. So today is clase número 6. And yesterday in clase número 5, we did asking somebody or telling somebody, I want to go for a drink with you. I want to drink with you. Quiero una bebida contigo. And we did 3 drinks. We did coffee, which is café, tea, which is té, and orange juice, which is un zumo de naranja. Ha ha ha. Café is a coffee, but it's also a cafe, and un bar is un bar. So now let's imaginar that we are in un café or un bar, and we're going to ask for a coffee or a tea. And this is how we do it. So I want to talk you through the different tipos de café. So I'm going to use my cup. Un café solo, you're going to have just café. So that's if you don't want any milk, you just want black coffee, un café solo. But that's going to be like an espresso, right? So un café americano, you're going to have coffee up to here, and this is going to be hot water. So un americano. We have americanos in Inglaterra as well. Then if you want milk is leche. And you can think, well, lactose products are leche, but of course leche sounds more like lech. And I think there was maybe League of Gentlemen or something, there was a lecherous man who went around saying milky, milky. And so that might help you remember that leche is milk. So now imaginar that you want your café with milk. The word for with is con. And you can remember that because chili con carne means chili with meat, literally, en español. We get it from español. It's a borrowed word, borrowed phrase from español. Chili con carne. So the con bit is with. So if you want your café con leche, you're going to have 3 grades. You're going to have your café, and then just this much leche is going to be café cortado. If you have a little bit more, you're going to have café here, and you're going to have con leche. They call that café con leche. And then if you want café in the bottom and leche all the way up to the top, that's going to be café manchado, right? El problema comes when you are a tea drinker, because it's not so common to drink té con leche. So your waiter's not going to know what to do with you. So if you ask for té con leche, he's going to think, well, if it was café con leche, it would be café up to here and this much leche, and I don't want that, right? So the best way that I can think to ask for your té would be to show the waiter. So say, quiero, quiero té, I want my tea up to here, quiero té con leche, right? So I quiero té con leche, right? Leche, té. And do it with a smile so that you get a nice bebida. Last thing I want to say today, you can say quiero té con leche, and quiero té means I want tea. But if you say té quiero, That means I love you. And quiero means I want, so you might think that it's quite carnal, it's very sexual, but it's not. It's te quiero is for your children, for your grandparents, for your lover as well. So te quiero is I love you, and quiero te is I want tea. Hasta mañana means until tomorrow, so hasta mañana. Adiós.